Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to walk you through how to file an amendment through TurboTax today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and we're going to jump right in. When you log into TurboTax, you're going to go to the main screen. It's going to show that you already filed, and it's going to say, hey, your federal return or your state return was accepted. If it has been, all the info that you're going to need is going to be right at the top here. But if you scroll down to the bottom, they're going to show you every single year that you have filed with TurboTax. Obviously, you can see that I filed with them every single year since 2014, but it's going to have all your info here, and you're just going to click this one, amend and change return. If you're not sure, you can click on this, look at their guidelines. Otherwise, you're going to hit amend using TurboTax Online. Obviously, right now, I can't amend it because I did just file the other day, but it's saying Form 1040X will be ready on 3/26/22. So you can hit email me when this form is ready or why it's not processing yet or ready for processing. And so after 3/26, you can come back and you can actually fill out the form. 1040X is that amended tax form, and it'll just take you right to where you need to go. Otherwise, when it's like this, it's just a waiting game. So we have to wait until that amendment is ready. I know a few people have reached out because they really got excited about filing their taxes. They did it too soon and they missed a form, but this is the form that will be here after March 26th that you're going to need to click on and go through once you are able to and that form is ready. Again, TurboTax Home, scroll down, click on the right form, the right year, and then hit amended tax return. I think once it's actually ready, I will come back and go through the form itself. For everyone who wants to amend their tax return, unfortunately, you can't do it right now. If anything, your tax returns will be processed and then you'll just have to amend it later on. And that might mean that your return amount will change, whether you owe money or you're getting back money before this form is ready, before the 26th of March. Then you're going to want to make sure you just hold on to that money in your account, in your bank account somewhere, and not use it because you might have to pay some of it back depending on what you're amending. Keep that in mind, but this is it for learning how to amend your taxes on TurboTax. Like I said, when the form's ready, I'll come back and actually go through it. If you found this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up and like and subscribe.